Hey guys, it's Neil and welcome to Hardcore Linux. Ubuntu Budgie is perhaps the most obscure Ubuntu flavor. In this review of Ubuntu Budgie 18.04, we take a look at the main highlights and user experience of this new release. So, let's get started. Installation. As usual, the installer is just like any other Ubuntu based distribution. It's pretty straightforward to a user. It's easy to use and I love the way it is. The Budgie interface. Ubuntu Budgie's desktop look more like a Gnome desktop. The main panel is placed on the top, a clock at the center of the panel and notifications on the top right. Yeah, it does look like Gnome for sure. The notification sidebar slides in from the right side of the screen. The sidebar is downright stunning. Everything you need in one place. It also houses the applet, which you can customize as per your need. It is quick to use and stays completely out of the way when you don't need it. Once you start using it, you won't able to live without it for sure. And as far as the usability is concerned, Budgie is simple. You need not spend a lot of time getting to know everything how it works on Budgie. One look at the desktop and you will pretty much get the idea of this desktop environment. Default themes. In Budgie, the default theme is pretty. A gorgeous set of desktop wallpaper is included. Budgie desktop has rather modest animation effects. The animations do not try to catch your attention, but they are graceful in themselves. Out-of-box softwares. All the essentials are included in the ISO file. LibreOffice Suite, Rhythmbox Music Player, Gnome MPV, Chromium is the default browser in Ubuntu Budgie. The general essentials like calculator and calendar all are present. Ubuntu software is the default software store on Ubuntu Budgie 18.04. Anything and everything you need can be installed from there just with some few clicks. If you need something that's not found in the software store, then you have the old and good way to adding softwares using PPA, since Ubuntu Budgie is based on Ubuntu 18.04. Performance. I installed Ubuntu Budgie 18.04 on my personal PC and use it for 1 week. Ubuntu Budgie 18.04 visibly outperformed the standard Ubuntu 18.04 for sure. And this all credit goes to the Budgie desktop environment, which is much more lighter than Gnome desktop environment. And as a result, Ubuntu Budgie feels faster. Since Ubuntu Budgie is still Ubuntu under the hood, an unquestionable stability can be expected from Budgie. The repos have gone through tested packages which deliver a high degree of stability above else. Ubuntu Budgie 18.04 is ready to use as your daily driver. It's dependable. Customizations. Customization is the unspoken, essential requirement for every desktop Linux enthusiast. Budgie makes customization very simple. An application called Budgie Themes provides 8 different theme setup. You can choose the one that goes with your specs or whatever, and the theme icon packs are fetched and installed automatically. The hassle of adding PPS, updating cache and everything is taken by this OS. The presents are good looking and the desktop look like a art of work on any theme. An applet store is also present which provides a range of applets for you to download and use. Again, hassle-free installation. The main panel can be removed to the bottom if you don't like it. The items can be removed, add and configure to do whatever you want, since the panel is basically blank. And we all know Plank is a really customizable dock. And now comes the conclusion part. Budgie Desktop plus Ubuntu is an incredible combination in my thoughts. It's a kind of like Mint but a little bit different. Budgie Desktop provides a superior computing experience. It's gorgeous and dependable. So I highly recommend the users to go for the Budgie Desktop if you really like it. At least give it a try. You maybe fell in love with it. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like it. If you guys do, give this video a thumbs up, share and do subscribe. And always, thanks a lot for watching. It's Hardcore Linux signing off. Peace, guys.